I solemnly swear to preserve and defend the Constitution of the United States of America against all enemies, foreign and domestic. So help me God. It's the same oath every single member of the United States Armed Forces. It's worded exactly the same in the electoral oath of office. I presume the federal law enforcement agencies have some kind of oath regarding the founding document of the federal government they work for. If so, if you raised your right hand, you're inherently anti-fascist. But if you are deriving your salary from the United Nations, you are in direct competition with the Turk. Islam recognizes no distinction between church and state, and is therefore technically neither. First, do no harm, or you're not a doctor. Now what? Did I do something wrong? Did you contact law enforcement? Do you suspect a crime has been committed? Don't take the law into your own hands, kids. Or was it a sin? Is there an unforgivable sin? Is God angry with me? I think we left a big, gaping hole in our hegemony in the Indian Ocean. And our allies in the area can't compete fast enough to keep up with these fucking dumb dickheads right here on our soil. I am not obligated to the limitations of what passes for intelligence these days. Homeland. I was born here. I don't know where you get off. Back in your goddamn boat.